How far can a Ukrainian strike travel before Russia's rear stops being safe? These events show why distance is becoming a weaker shield, and why specialized technical work is moving closer to war zones and raw data. The first signal came from fires deep inside Russia. Volodymyr Zelensky said overnight attacks hit oil refineries in Perm, more than 1,000 miles, or 1,600 kilometers from Ukraine's border. At Visegrad 24 posted images of fire, explosions, smoke, and a Ukrainian drone over the refinery. At Clash Report also reported an attack on the Marinovka military airfield in the Volgograd region. Another report described damage to a Russian fighter at Akhtubinsk, about 370 miles, or 600 kilometers from the border. The important number is not only the distance, it is the number of separate facilities exposed. The second event puts the distance problem in the air. At OSINT Technical posted videos showing a Ukrainian fighter following a Russian drone at close range. The drone loses control and crashes in an open field. This is not simply a distant explosion reviewed afterward. It is a visible pursuit and interception, making drone defense a concrete operational function rather than an abstract weapons category. The third event leaves the battlefield entirely. @_cyberhusky described an interactive water atlas built from NASA and a German research center's Grace FO satellites, a system that measures changes in Earth's water storage through tiny shifts in gravity. It does not photograph rivers, reservoirs, or underground water directly. The author said the tool was built from prompts within a few hours. That compresses the distance between specialized scientific measurements and a usable public map. And this is where the employment effect becomes concrete. The documented work areas are drone tracking, refinery damage assessment, exposed facility security, and interactive data visualization. The demonstrated deadline is also concrete. The water tool reportedly moved from prompts to a working atlas within a few hours. That favors workers who can turn technical information into decisions without requiring every user to understand the underlying system. So how far can a Ukrainian strike travel before Russia's rear stops being safe? More than 1,000 miles, according to the Perm attack reported by @Visegrad 24. The next marker is another confirmed damage report from Perm, Marinovka, or Akhtubinsk, plus another demonstrated version of the water atlas.